The rhododendron are in bloom. Here comes the tunnel. Another tunnel. Another tunnel. Rattlesnake Mountain Tunnel. Cherokee Tunnel. Somebody up here is riding their brakes, because both those tunnels just reek of brake dust. I'm gonna think it's the next car we come up to. They can't be that far ahead of us. Wow, wow, whoa, oh, oh, it's gonna be that truck. Yeah, it's really strong of brake dust right here. It's gonna be that truck with the camper on top. He's been riding his brakes too much. See? See? He hasn't let off his brakes yet. There's no excuse. No, none. 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 His tag says, I brew. 1BR3W. I brew. Ha 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 ha. It should say I brake for anything. Everything. I can't go down a mountain without riding the brakes. You should smell this nonsense behind us. Wow. It's bad. When he gets back to Virginia, he's going to have new brake pads put on. Now we got some fresh air. Oh, here's our brake dust maker. Wow, no, it's really strong. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Woo. 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 All right, we're back at Cherokee. Wow. Can't believe no traffic's coming. I hope the guy pulling that trailer pulls off and lets those brakes cool down. Turkey! Alright. Y'all want to see everything that is Cherokee Nation? Maybe. Climbing all over the sign. It's 2 o'clock on a Tuesday. Pulling into Cherokee, North Carolina. That's the touristy, the real touristy kind of junk over there. It's not bad. That way is like the easy way to get to the casino. You need to know. Everybody wants to go to the casino. It's a nice casino. This is the old part of Cherokee. Sometimes you get to see a Cherokee Indian, but you have a better chance of seeing a meth head. Did I say that out loud? That was wrong. Are you paying for gold here? Paying for gold. Look at this dum-dum. If they would have backed into the parking spot, they would have had an easier time getting out. Now his fat ass has to get into the freaking vehicle. And she's not going to unlock the doors. Oh, morons. Morons. You can't fix stupid. I don't care who you are. Motorcycle riders. Alright, Roland needs gas. So we need to stop for gas somewhere. It's not going to be the Shell station.